Hey, what is up guys, it is Technology Hell back here. Welcome back to another video, and in my today's video I am gonna share 5 genuine methods with you from where you can start earning online. I am pretty sure most of you are looking for ways from which you can start earning online, and if you are going to get money for doing almost nothing, then it is something really good. You will be getting your own earnings from your hard work, and this earning you can be spending anywhere where you feel like. Let me just tell you, all these methods are genuine. I am not gonna share some fake applications which are to be downloaded from Play Store and then done some stupid tasks like forwarding messages. But today I'll be sharing some genuine ways which are very popular, and these are in the field of online earning since years. So if you are also interested in knowing about these methods, make sure to watch this video till end because I'll be sharing 5 different methods. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Before starting, I want to tell you that no matter what method you use, until and unless you are giving your full dedication and your hard work, you will not be able to earn a good amount of money. And in order to earn a good amount of money like $100 per day, it is possible, but for that it will take a good amount of time and you need to give your 100% of hard work. So let's start with the first method. So our first method is earning from YouTube. You can start making videos with just the basic knowledge about the content which you are gonna create and a little bit knowledge about video editing, which is actually very simple, and once you are ready you can start making videos and uploading on YouTube. Your viewers will find your videos interesting, they'll subscribe you, and you will be getting lots of response, comments, likes, community shares and whatnot. And once you have lots of subscribers, that is above 1000, and you have created more than 4000 watch hours in your past 1 year, there you are on your first stage for monetization. Your YouTube channel needs to be monetized by Google AdSense, and once done you can start earning through the advertisements that will appear on your channel. You will also be rewarded by YouTube in form of play buttons, certificates and whatnot. So the method of earning from YouTube is actually really great. You will be earning a good amount of money, but the only hard work that you need to do is that you need to be patient. I have seen people, they start the YouTube channel but they drop off the idea saying it is not their cup of tea. So if you are going to start with YouTube, make sure to keep working until unless you achieve your goals, and one day you will definitely get monetized and start earning. Moving on to our second method, we have Blogspot. Blogspot is a position where you can go there and just write out your feelings, your mind layouts, and people who are interested in reading them, they will definitely come and follow your page. You can also create blogs on several interesting topics. You can become a news publisher, an article writer, and you can also do a bit of freelance work on your blog page. All you need to do on blog is simple typing, and if needed you can insert images between your typed words so that your blog does not look boring. There are hundreds of websites available to start writing blogs. For example, you have Blogger, you have WordPress and lot more. You can just go there, sign up for free and start up writing blogs over there, and slowly your viewers will start increasing. Try to cover up interesting and popular topics so that viewers come to your blogs much often. And once you have been 6 months old and have more than 60 blogs on your page, you are ready for monetization. Again, you can just go to Google AdSense and simply get your blog monetized, which will give advertisements in between your blog text words, and that will be giving you money in return. So that's how you can get monetized on blog and start earning. Our third method might be a personal favorite, that is gaming. Yes, you will be paid if you are good at playing games. In case you are good at playing any of the games, you can just turn yourself into a live streamer and start earning. Though there are certain criteria for getting monetized on the platform where you are streaming. For example, your platform can be Twitch, Mixer or even YouTube. All you need to do is to work hard until unless you are monetized, and once you are monetized, though you will be getting money through your ads, but your fan base, they will be often coming and giving you donations. That will be a second part of your earning. So this is actually very simple. If you are good at any of the games, do consider live streaming, as it can hugely increase your fan base, and once you have a good amount of fans in your community, you are ready to go. Our fourth method is earning through affiliate marketing. You can go to any of the e-commerce websites like Amazon and Flipkart and simply sign up for an affiliate account. Affiliate marketing is actually very simple. In simple words, you can call it commission. You are bringing customers to a seller, and in return the seller is gonna give you a commission which can range from 2% up to 10% of the total price of the product which has been sold. Suppose you are selling a product of 100 rupees, then your commission can range from 2 rupees to 10 rupees, which goes even higher when you are giving commission for an expensive product which might cost 20 or 30,000 rupees. The affiliate marketing concept is really simple, just a small method of getting commission from the viewers which you are bringing to them. In case you are a blogger, you have a good amount of people following you on social media, or you are a YouTuber, you can definitely try out affiliate marketing simply by giving the links down in your description and sharing the links with whoever is gonna buy the product, which will in return give you a small amount of income in the form of affiliate markets. Our fifth and last method is link shortening. Over here you just get your long URLs which you are gonna share with anyone, which can either be a download link, a sharing link for any social media post, or an affiliate markets link. You can just get it shortened on such websites which are the so-called link shorteners. You can just go there, sign up for an account, give your payment details which can either be PayPal or your bank account itself, and then simply short the URL. This is the place where you go and click the link. Your viewers will get to see an advertisement which will be shown for 5 seconds, and then they can skip the ad and then proceed to the destination link. You will be paid for the advertisements which are going to be shown on your links. So this is how you will be earning through link shorteners. They will be showing ads on your links which will in return give you money. This is really simple, and if you have a good fan base who will be clicking your links, make sure to try this out, as I am personally using link shortener. And if you want to sign up, links are there in the description for all the possible sites. And that's it, how you can start earning from link shorteners. So these were our 5 methods from which you can start making money online. I tried to make this video as short and small as possible because I just wanted to give you an introduction about the websites and the possible methods from where you can start earning. In case you want me to make a dedicated video on any of these topics, do write down in the comments box. I will surely reply, and then a new video will be up very soon where I will be explaining each of these methods in detail with all the instructions and information that you need to keep in mind before you start with it. So that's it for this video. Hope you found this interesting. If you have any doubts or issues, write down in the comment section. I'll surely reply your comment within 1 or 2 days. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, as we keep coming up with such videos every week. Thanks for watching.